What do we have here, Steve?
Ducklings.
Ducklings. You touched them?
Yeah.
Yeah? So they're only about 12 days old. And look how big they are, everyone. Man. Well, Steve, y'all weren't here the weekend that me and Mom bought them. So y'all didn't see how tiny they were when we first got them. But they were small. The yellow one was bigger than the two mallards. But even the mallards were barely bigger than baby chicks. We got them when they were only like 3 days old. Look, let's go ahead and put them in this temporary pen. And we can even squirt them with the hose a little bit and get them wet. And then we'll put them back in their clean box with the heat lamp on them. You can take them out one at a time. No, take them out one at a time, Steve. Just grab them quickly and yeah, there you go. Good job.
Yeah.
Use 2 hands if you need to. Use 2 hands, babe. Cradle underneath their belly. Just cradle him under his belly and quickly take him out. There you go.
Stand out.
He jumped. Okay, you can come out, Steve. You don't really know what it is. You guys like the water? This wire didn't work. The holes were way too big and I didn't think about that. I just wanted it to be a temporary pin. Hey, they do kind of like it. First time out on the grass. He's trying to eat it. You see him, Steve? First time in the grass and first time getting sprayed with water. Pepper, you better leave him alone. Checking out the cleaning process. Oh, it stinks.
That pile of stuff down there.
Oh, you got some cardboard. You have to clean out that water too. I had to put 2 trays in here because one was just not enough. I don't know if it had a slight leak or if they just really drink and play in that much water.
I just filled
But
that
it
one.
seems like 2 of them is doing a lot better. Okay. Well, we just need to dump the tray underneath then.
Did move it a little bit.
Good job, y'all. Glad that these 3 are still alive and they're getting bigger. We're excited. We're looking forward to having some ducks. Hopefully they stay at the pond and live by the pond and lay their own eggs and make some more babies. So even though they're water birds, we're still going to give them the heat lamp tonight. It's still warm at night, but I want them to dry off. They don't have all of their real feathers, and I don't think they make any oils yet, so they're not waterproof right now. So they need to dry off so that they don't get too cold and die. Look how small, look how small his wing is. The Peking, the yellow one. It looks like a Tyrannosaurus Rex arm. Tiny and unusable. That's funny. So what should you do with the duckling bedding and manure? Put it in your garden. Spread it around. Or in the compost pile. It's probably better. That way you'll know it won't be too strong for your plants. But we didn't have a whole lot of it, so we're just going to spread it lightly around Simeon's cucumbers and volunteer cantaloupe. The first one we didn't pick it soon enough, and it split at the bottom and got some bugs in it. And then the second one I picked it and we ate it last weekend, and now he's got a couple more. Yeah, this one's almost ready, Sim. Maybe another few days and then we have some young green ones. It's pretty exciting.
Oh, yeah, we picked them.
They must have come from some dirt that came from the compost, I guess.
Yeah.
From the core
yeah.
of a cantaloupe that we threw away out there. So they were eating on some kind of plant right there in the grass?
Yeah, this.
Huh. Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is chickweed, Tim. It's edible for humans too.
Not this. Not this.
Yeah, this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's chickweed. I put it in my salad one time in the spring when it was growing more abundantly. It might be dirty now because it rained. Does it taste kind of like bitter lettuce?
I can't taste it. There's a bunch of dust all on it. Like dirt and dust. I see dust on it.
Alright, thanks for joining SERVi Homestead. That's our duckling update. Take care, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe.